I want to get your opinion on what's going on with crypto because I don't think that anybody truly knows the exact thing that's going to happen. There is extreme fear in the market right now. People are very fearful and they're asking the same questions. Are we ever going to see altcoin season? Is this the bear market? Is the bull market over? Are we finished? Are we cooked? All of these things. And I totally understand why you're asking these questions. We should have experienced a lot more growth in 2025, at the end of 2025 for sure, and into 2026. And the fact that we're not, we're always searching for a reason why. Both of these cats are scratching posts. Why are you doing that right now? I have no idea, but just relax. I don't know if you guys can hear it, but they decide to scratch posts now. Um, but as we look at the crypto market, like where it stands here today with all of the questions being asked, am I wrong about crypto? Am I 100% wrong about where crypto is right now and what will happen with crypto? I want to get your opinion, right? There are people out there that will say yes. I want to know the reasons why. Why do you believe that I'm wrong about crypto? Now, here is my stance. Actually, I'll go through where my stance is after this. If you guys can hit the like button and hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Oh, you're back. Also, make sure you check out some of the links down below. It does help out the channel. And if you guys want to follow me on Twitter, follow me on Patreon at PerryHGA, you can follow me over there. Don't forget about my link for BTCC if you guys are interested in leverage trading. It's a great platform where you can leverage trade from 2x leverage all the way up to 500x leverage. You can demo trade, so if you want to practice trading, you can do that. There's also a giveaway going on. If you sign up using my link, by the end of this month, you will be entered to win 375 USDT. They also have a standard bonus. If you want to deposit money, you'll get a 10% deposit bonus up to $500, 500 USDT that you can get. So you'll get 10%. All the way up to $500 in rewards, $10,055 worth of extra rewards, as well as 40% lower trading fees. So it's an opportunity for up to $10,000 worth of extra rewards per user. But feel free to check it out. It is a great platform. You know, I've used it for over a year and it's been good to me. It's been kind to me, and I've been able to make a decent amount of money from it. But when it comes to the market, when we look at the entire market and where it stands, the fear and greed index is at 8, right? I haven't seen it this low in a very, very long time. It's at 8. People are insanely fearful of what the market is going to bring. And this is while not seeing altcoins actually thrive. If you don't know, we saw things like Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, BNB, Solana, all of those move in a heavy manner. Even some of them to create new all-time highs, which is fantastic. Actually, probably most of them created new all-time highs. Bitcoin did. Ethereum did slightly, a very low amount, but did. XRP didn't create a new all-time high, but new all-time high market cap. BNB created a new all-time high. Solana created a new all-time high, even with a higher supply, giving it a higher market cap. So a lot of these top coins have moved. So you might say that altcoin season may have ran through some of the top altcoins that are there. However, if that was the case, I feel like Ethereum would have hit that $10,000 mark, but didn't. Dogecoin didn't run to levels that we think it was going to run. ADA, AVAX, Chainlink, Render, Caspa, all of these different positions that are top quality cryptocurrencies in their own right, didn't experience the level of breakout that we expected to see for an altcoin season. So did altcoin season actually happen? No, it didn't happen. That's where everything really runs. The FOMO comes into play, all of that. Seeing what we're seeing here, the market has come back. The market is very fearful. So with that being said, was I wrong? 100% wrong about the crypto market. I don't like to give dates, but if I did say that 2025 would be the year, for sure, I was wrong. No one would have thought that you would see this long of a technically a bear market for altcoins. No one would have thought that you would get through 2025 and you wouldn't see an explosion. You would get into 2026 and you still wouldn't see that explosion. No one would have thought that besides the people that are true doubters about crypto overall, or that are just big fans of Bitcoin and expected, oh, we saw Bitcoin go, from 70,000 down to 15 and all the way up to 120 plus $1,000. That's the bull market. That's altcoin season. No, that's not altcoin season. That was Bitcoin season, and it looks like it just skipped altcoin season. And what's crazy is, which I don't know their breakdown or their ratio or whatever their calculation is, but altcoin season should not be at 30 right now. I understand that you can say, oh, Bitcoin dominance isn't as high, but you look at it and altcoins are experiencing just as much of a loss as Bitcoin, if not more than Bitcoin. Um, but then you're still seeing that loss on top of not breaking out in the first place. Bitcoin is still at 65,000, which is 5,000 away from its all-time high, 4,000 away from its not all-time high, 4,000 away from its previous, let's say, all-time high of about $69,000. So before it actually broke out and past 70 and past 80 and past 90 and past 100, 69 to 65 or 67 was the highest levels, and Bitcoin is now around those levels. So even though everything else is dipping to lows that we haven't seen in a while, Solana at $77, can't say that's necessarily a super low level, but maybe Cardano at 26 cents. That is low. That is very, very low. Chainlink at $8, Litecoin at $51, AVAX at $8.72. These are levels that we didn't expect to see, after seeing a major push by what seemingly was supposed to be altcoins, right? So, am I 100% wrong about cryptocurrency overall? No, I can't say I'm 100% wrong. Am I wrong about cryptocurrency or have any type of level or anything that I'm wrong about? Yes. If we're talking about dates, 2025, 2026, we haven't experienced that. Altcoin season should have happened at that point. It didn't happen. Altcoin season should have happened first quarter of 2026. It's not happening right now. So, yes, am I wrong? I can agree. I am. Am I wrong overall about altcoin season happening? I don't believe so. I think we still stand where altcoin season will happen, and I'm hoping that we will see it in 2026. And that if this is a bear market that we have here, that this is a short-lived bear market, and then things start absolutely skyrocketing from there. So that's kind of where I stand. I don't know where my phone is. That's kind of where I stand with things. I've been getting calls literally for the last 2 days about mortgages and refinancing and all that stuff. Rocket Mortgage must have given out all of my information because it's annoying. It's very annoying. And if this interrupts my daughter's basketball game, the recording that we will have later today, I will be very upset. Very, very upset about that. But anyways, let me know what you think about the crypto market and where it stands and where we stand with altcoin season. And if I am truly wrong, let me know. Guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Make sure you check out my link for BTCC down below. And I will catch you guys in the next one. See ya.